wananchi ria. Kina mama mwa. Vijana zigisa.
Kavinda kama Thooa masyindu sia vata Mutu wangima. Sukali vamwe na yeiya. Mambatite muno. Yu ateti no maende kumya mawoni kivathukanganio. Wa oyume tukini ula ukwitya kivila cha umbunge wa starehe na chama cha ODM bwana Steve Mbogo. Mbogo Aineena na aandiki mauvoo kiwanzani cha ndeke cha Jomo Kenyatta. Niwamunenge Musumbi uhuru Kenyatta ivinda ya wiki ili avikie na kuthinikia thina uyu.
Mine is to directly address the executive. Yes. And when I talk of the executive, I'm addressing the president and the deputy president of the Republic of Kenya. It is erratic, askew, heinous, hilarious to find that Kenyans are living in abject poverty while the executive of this country is quiet. We want to say that the Kenyan people have been subjected to abject poverty to a level that they cannot afford comfortable 3 meals a day. I personally, as the commander-in-chief of the unarmed forces, I am giving the president 2 weeks to ensure that he has taken keen concern of this issue of unga maziwa. If the price of unga, sukali and maziwa is not reduced, we will marshal up youths across the country.
Mbongo oingi nukulilia NND. Meka vikie na kusa kwa ndongo ila itena maendeo. Ndeni wasa kwa ni munene ula ukite mwini wanyanya.
I want to urge Nairobians.
Yes.
Let us not elect jokers who will fail us in the next 5 years. Let us look at the content of characters of our leaders.
We don't want
Let
to
us see their track records on what they've done on matters to do with leadership.
Wakavinda ni kaundongo ino ni madhudisi NND pamwena amuika. Megithikana mena vikia na kulua nduthi. Ndeni wasa kwa ni munene.
I want to urge all Kenyans at large. This is a political year.
Yes.
Let us not engage in criminal activities. My youth muko hapa.
Sisi
tuchunge doria. You know, we've been used, misused and abused before by politicians. So let us not forget what happened in 2007. Let us be peaceful and embrace peace and unity. Sawa sawa? Asanteni.
Ndilivotie chini TV kume kiwanzani cha ndeke cha Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Nita wa Erastus Kithuku Nzomo.